Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the question of volume of cylinder. So first I am going to discuss about a very simple question. If radius is given to you, radius of a cylinder is given to you, height is given to you, then you can easily find out the volume now by using formula pi r square h. So what is the radius? Suppose radius is your 10 and height is your 14 centimeters. So volume is 10 square is 100. It's a 4400. What? Centimeter square? No, it's a centimeter cube. So hope this thing is clear to you. Move to the next question. Next question says, I am solving this side. The area of the base of a circular cylinder is 35 centimeter square. Area of base is given to us. It is your 35 centimeter square. Clear? And area of base we know that it's a pi r square equals to 35 r square equals to 35 upon 22 into 7. I think I'm right. Okay, read the first, and its height is 12 centimeter. What will be the volume? Okay, it's I'm in hurry, so start to solve. Need not to solve this thing. You can solve up to this one. Pi r square equals 35 centimeter square. Clear, leave it. Then height is given to us. Height is 12 centimeter. Question says that find the volume. See the formula of volume. It's a pi r square h. So we can easily find out the value of pi r square from this place. (35) into h is your 12. Multiply is 12 5s are 60, 6 carry, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 6 420. 420 centimeter square. Hope this thing is clear to you. I think it's not clear to us. Clear? Yes, clear. 35 10s are 350 and 35 2s are 70. 350 plus 70 is a 420 centimeter square. So hope you can easily find out the volume of the different cylinder. Move to the next question. Now next question is, if the volume of a right circular cylinder with its height equal to the radius is 25 whole 1 upon 7 centimeter cube, then find the radius of the cylinder and base of the cylinder. That is the area of the base, whatever is given to you. First, see, radius r is equals to height h and volume is given. It is your 25 whole 1 upon 7 centimeter cube. From this we can easily find out, as we know, volume is pi r square h equals to 25 7 ja 175 plus 1 176 upon 7. From this we can easily say that we shift pi that side and we have r square, and we can, in place of h, we can write down r also. So it's a 176 upon 7 into 22 upon 7. 7 cancels each other, 22 8 ja. R cube equals to 8, r equals to 2 centimeter, and question asked to you, then find the radius of the base of the cylinder. So this is the radius. Move to the next question. Next question says that you have to read the book because question is lengthiest one. Total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1540 centimeter square. First, note down total surface area equals to 1540 centimeter square. 1540 centimeter square. If its height is 4 times the radius, then find the volume. Height h is 4 times the radius r, where h is height, r is radius. So as we know, total surface area is pi r square h. I'm right? No. Totals according to question, pi r square h is volume. According to question, total surface area is your 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, and this one is 1540 centimeter square. Okay, whenever we place the value, see, take 2 pi r and 2 pi r common. 2 pi r common, here h plus r equals to 1540. Now see here 2 pi r, in this case 2 pi r, and here h plus r. Convert all things into r first. 4r plus r equals to 1540. So first simplify it. 2 pi r into 5r equals to 1540. Now take 2 pi and 5 transpose to this side and keep r over here. So what we have? We have r square. So we have r into r, that is your r square. Here 1540, 2 pi and 5 comes to this side in divide form. Now we can easily solve it. And if you are confused, so you can easily write down over here 2 pi into 5 into r square equals to 1540. Now we can easily say 1540 by 2 into 22 into 5. 25 7 ja, and 2 5 7 ja. It's a 7 into 7, or r equals to 7 centimeter, whatever it is. It's your r. Now question says that find the volume of the cylinder. So volume pi r square h equals to pi r square h. As we know that h is 4r, so first write down 22 upon 7 r square. 7 into 7 into h is your 4r, so 4 into 7 cancels each other, and then multiply, you have the answer. Hope this one is clear to you. I am not going to let me multiply this one. Multiply this, we have 4312 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. I hope this one is clear to you. Be careful about what condition is given for height. Move to the next question. Okay, move to the next question, and this one is your. This question says that I am leaving one question for you. Come to point. The volume of the metal of a cylindrical pipe is 748 centimeter cube. Volume equals to 748 centimeter cube. Clear? The length of the pipe is 14 centimeter. Length means height. H 14 centimeter. Clear? The external radius, that is your external radius means capital R. Equals to external radius capital R is 9 centimeter. External radius capital R is your 9 centimeter. What is the thickness of metal in the pipe? Thickness, question asked you thickness. Thickness means what? Let me clear. Thickness means external radius minus capital radius. Clear? Question asked you, find this one. We know the volume, we know the height. So what is the formula for volume? And that formula help us to solve this question. As we know, come to this point. Volume of pipe means volume of hollow cylinder is equals to difference of volume na pi capital R square H minus pi small r square H. And if we try to find out, we take pi and H common. Clear? What we have? We have R square minus R square. And we know the volume is given, it's a 748. So we know the value of pi, we know the value of H. So 748 by value of pi 22 upon 7 and value of H is your 14. 7 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 7 2 4, 3 7 4. Wait for some time. Solve, come to this side, and this side is equals to R square minus R square. Come to this part. R square minus R square equals to, we can write down 374 upon 22. Clear? And we know the value of capital R square, it's a 9. So here we can write down 81 minus small r square equals to, first try to solve this one. 11 2s are 11 3s are 11 4s are 2 17s are, so it's this one is 17. So 81 minus 17 equals to small r square. 11 minus 7 4, 7 minus 1 6. So what is the 8 is R. So thickness equals to capital R minus small r. Capital R is your 9, small r 8, it's a 1 centimeter. Hope this one is clear to you. Move to the next question, and this is the last question of today. This question says that two right circular cylinders of equal volume have their heights in the ratio 1:2. What is the ratio of their radii? Listen, there are two cylinders having same volume, and their height, ratio of their height means if one is small h, other is one is capital H, other is your small h is equals to 1:2. But this, so hope this thing is clear to you. Ratio of their heights equals to 1:2. We can use this as a sentence. One ratio 2. So let heights are h and 2h. So V1 is a volume for first one, and this is your pi r square h, because height is h, and volume V2 equals to, we use pi capital R square, and in this case we have 2h, height is 2h. So as we know these two are equal, so according to question, V1 equals to V2. V1 equals to V2, which gives us pi r square h equals to pi capital R square 2h. Pi and h cancels each other. R square equals to 2r square. R square by r square equals to 2 upon 1. Ratio of the radii means r by r equals to root under 2 by 1. So this is your answer. Hope this thing is clear to you. Try to solve all the questions as given as by your syllabus, and you must like, subscribe the videos. That's all for today. Thank you.